Hello, viewers out there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you're viewing us from. Today, we are going to discuss about some kind of jobs you should be looking at if you want to immigrate to Canada from outside Canada. What I mean is this: there's lots of job options you can actually put your mind on, or you zero down your mind while you live outside of Canada. But today, we are going to discuss one of those jobs. And what is that job? Tell me. That job, the job I call the caregiver job. Now, according to visa consulting, Canada needs 1.5 million immigrants from now till the year 2025. You could be among those immigrants that will immigrate to Canada. But let me tell you this: coming to Canada has not been easy. Let me tell you, it has not been easy to come to Canada, I will tell you, but it's possible. For the fact that it's difficult doesn't make it impossible. It's possible. You could be among those that are going to be selected in the pool of many workers that submitted their applications. Now, let me just make it so clear. Like, people in many countries of the world, they do use agents to actually file visa applications for them. At the end of the day, they end up losing their money. I mean, it would be so sad actually losing huge sum of money to these agents. Why can't you do something you can do by yourself? Why would you pay money for someone to do something you can do by yourself? It's actually because the reason being that you don't have the useful information you need. That is the fact. And let me tell you something: you can achieve anything you want in life, but you need information, knowledge, and understanding. So, if you have these three things coupled together, you don't need to pay anybody money to do something you can do for yourself. So, this has been done. Personally, I myself, I did my own myself. I never paid anybody money to come to Canada. But I will tell you, it depends on how serious you are. Some people, they spend 4 years, some 2 years before they can be able to immigrate to Canada from their various countries of the world. But I tell you, you can actually make it easy for yourself if only you have the correct information that regards to the kind of work you need to do. I will tell you, in the current job market in Canada, I mean, the caregiver job pool actually, it has one of the high job traffic in all the websites that I'm going to list out to you today. I mean, the website I'm going to discuss with you today. You will see that the caregiver job is ranking one of the highest sought after jobs in the Canadian job market. So you could be one of those people that can actually get selected. And let me tell you, to come to Canada, it has three basic routes you can come to Canada. One, either you come through permanent resident, though it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time actually. So if you don't want to, have expanded time for that, you can take the second route, which is a student visa or student work permit. But if you don't have the requisite document or the documentation to go for that, you can use the third option, which is the work permit. So you can stay outside of Canada to look for work. Believe me, it sounds crazy, but it's possible. It's possible actually. You can stay from the comfort of your home with your internet. You search jobs. Believe me, you could get selected, and believe me, within 1 year, you will see yourself in Canada. It's possible. People have done that in the past, and people are still doing it. And believe me, you can be among those people that will be selected. So today we are going to discuss how you can actually register in the pool of the website that people have been using. All the agents you pay money, hope sum of money to give you work permits. This is the website they have been using to give you these jobs. But because they don't want to make you know where they're getting this information from. So I am going to give you this site today, and I will help you navigate to the website, how you can register your profile, just like the way you do in Indeed or in LinkedIn job profile. So you can do that. And I will tell you this, I will shock you now. What is the name of this, website? The name is worldcaregivers.com. Look at the name again. Look at the screen. It's going to appear there. worldcaregivers.com. Just go to Google, search worldcaregivers.com. Open that website and create your profile. Though we're going to show you how you can do that. It's easy and simple. Just create your profile. I know, guys, you must have your email. You have your Gmail account. Everybody in the group now is using Gmail, or even if you're not using Gmail, you could use Yahoo Mail. So if you don't have one, just go to gmail.com, create a Gmail account, because it is highly recommended to actually register in this website. So get your Gmail account with your mobile number of any country you are residing. So go to worldcaregivers.com, register your profile right now, and fill all the necessary information about yourself, your experience, all the jobs you've done in the past. Put them down there. Put your picture, your video, more photos of yourself, because it is required. So once you have done this, you stand a chance of getting contacted by these employers. They will contact you through Yahoo Mail. You can now chat one-on-one with them. So let me tell you how it works. Once an employer in Canada has actually indicated interest in your profile, what they will do is this: they will submit what we call LMIA. It stands for Labor Market Impact Assessment. This document shows the Canadian government that there is a lack of local employee that will fill in a particular job vacancy in that particular sector. So once an employer submits that on your behalf, once it gets approved, the next step will be for the employer to actually submit your work permit. Once your work permit is approved, oh no, you're on your way coming to Canada. So that's how it works. Some people don't have this kind of knowledge. So this is how it works. It's so simple. But all you have to do the necessary work. So you have to go to this site, register your profile, and believe you me, you could be among those that will be selected, because the job market in that sector now is booming. Actually, people are being contacted every day. You can be one of those people. So, and I want you to do something for me. If you like the video you are watching now, all you have to do, just click on the subscribe button, because I have a lot of videos I'm going to upload that has to do with how you can come to Canada. In fact, there are many videos I'm going to upload from now in subsequent videos. So please click on the bell down there, so that once I upload video, you'll get notified. So please, this is very, very important, and I wish you the best of luck, and I wish you the best of you coming to Canada to see this good country that the people have been actually vouching for a very long time. So just come and see by yourself. You will see how everything is being structured. You will thank me later for watching this video. And believe you me, I know that you are going to help me share this video to your friends, family, relatives, people that might need this information, that they've been looking for a way to actually migrate to Canada. This video could be a source of encouragement to them. So please help me share this video. And I believe that while doing that, I'm happy with you for even doing it. I know you will do that. So I thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.